Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is beef, and I blended garlic, onion, ginger, and some peppers, and I use it to season my meat. I use this beautiful seasoning, or any kind of your choice. You can use that. And I'm gonna add this. I blended fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes, onions, peanut paste, and palm butter paste. That's why it looks like it's yellowish, reddish, orange. Little water, and that's going into my soup. This has gone into the soup. Very easy. Always, first of all, it's good to always season your meat nicely. Make sure it tastes good. I mean, keep tasting as you go along. That's my fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes. I blended with onions, garlic, ginger, and some peppers. It's up to you. So first of all, you season the meat nicely with whatever seasoning you like, and then I had to blend my fresh tomatoes, onion, garlic, if you like, but make it simple. Just fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes, onions, canned tomato paste, peanut paste, and palm butter paste. This kind I used, and I added my peanut paste. I don't have the creamy, so I use the chunky, crunchy, and that's what I blended together with a little water to create this beautiful paste. And that's what I put into my seasoned meat. Some salt to taste and seasoning. That's it. Once you blend the bit left in the bottom, a little water, make it a little bit, loosen up a little bit so I can pour into the soup. So that's done. Enough. And there it goes in my soup. That's it. So you have the meat well seasoned first and cooked for a few minutes. Don't go too far. Blend. And like I'm telling you, just use ginger, garlic, onions, and pepper for your seasoning, and some nice something like this or whatever you want to put in. That's fine. Then I cook it for about 10 minutes. I blended my garlic, fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes, palm butter, and peanut paste or crunchy. I don't mind, any kind is fine. With water, and it goes into the pot. Let it boil. Let it simmer. Okay. In very low heat for as long as you want, but when you see the oil come to the top of the soup, then it's ready. If the oil is not on the top of the soup yet, it's not ready. God bless you. Bye bye. Yummy, 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 yummy soup. This is palm butter with peanuts paste, or crunchy or creamy, we call it in Katibe, in our language. With this blended together. Yep. Ooh, God bless you. Oh, bye bye.